Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Chinese medicine cabinet. Okay, based on this picture like this. Okay, so first we go system cabinet. Okay, select system cabinet, then select universe cabinet. This one. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, now I set the width to 2200. The height to 3000. Okay, now next I'm going to add a function part. Okay, I'm going to use this panel. Okay, we use shelf first. On shelf here, I'm going to set 2850. Okay, negate here. Next, again add another shelf. Put here. Okay, then I'm going to set to 2300. Okay, now I'm going to put another shelf here. Okay, this round I want to set 350 to make it go bottom here like this. Okay, next I'm going to add another board here. Alright, okay, divide into 5 section. Okay, I'm going to add shelf here. Okay, divide into 7. So here I 7, so I'm going to customize it. Put it 7. Okay, I'm going to set it, do it like the rest, same also. So I'm going to repeat the process. Make it 7. Okay, until finish like this. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to take another board and put here and divide into 2. Okay, I'm going to put another board up here. This one I'm going to set into 290. Okay, so that it got the tab inside, so that later I can do my door panel inside here. Okay, so now I'm going to divide into 3. Bottom here, I want to delete it. Okay, now I'm going to install. Okay, on the installer, come here, press install drawer. Okay, drawer. So then one drawer, then press like this. Okay, choose one. Okay, is the drawer. So select embed. Okay, like this. Okay, repeat the process for everything. Okay, so do the same thing like this. Okay, continue until finish. Okay, until finish like this. Okay. Okay, after drawer here, I'm gonna add another drawer. Okay, bottom for this bottom three drawer. Okay, I'm gonna use the same thing. I'm gonna set embed also. Okay, is same process for the 3 drawer bottom. Okay, next on the install door panel. Okay, come here, install panel. Okay, from here I set half overlay. Here I want to set insert. Here I'm going to set door gap. Okay, first I use fake door for here. Press install. See like this. Okay, here also same thing. Okay, set fake door. Okay, here I will set this one. Here I will set this one. The door type like this. Okay, Okay, now come here. Okay, come to parts. Okay, select here. Okay, select this one, decoration. Okay, come here. Okay, connect. Here, yeah. Gonna add the pattern from the bottom and the top. Okay. Okay, next I do for the top. Then set to 1080. Okay. Put that above. Okay, like this. Then I duplicate another one. Put here like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna do for this one, for the bottom one. Okay. I'll duplicate 3. Okay. Like this. Press B button so the board selection. So I delete some part there where I don't need it. Yeah, I'll delete all this. Remember this one. Then this one I want the middle part. Okay, this one, and I want this one on the left part. Delete like this. Okay, select this one. Okay, then this one from here I set 750. Okay, here also I select 750 like this. Okay, okay, close B button. Then I'm gonna move them around, make it link like that. Same goes for here. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna group them together. Select this tree. Okay, press Ctrl G to select. Okay, select this part. Okay, move it in. Okay, just a little bit. There, done. Okay, now I want to change all the drawer panel. The drawer handle. Okay, here, press handle, press replace. Okay, come here, classic. Okay, select this handle, select this one. Okay, there, change the handle. Okay, okay, now not do for this cabinet style. Okay, come here, press panel type. Come here, universal door panel library. Okay, solid wood door plank. Here, let me find the pattern. This one, SM66. Okay, select. Okay, here, format printer. Okay, select this 4, 3. Okay, yeah. Okay, for now, I'm thinking like create a tier this one, panel class. Okay, superboard. Drag here. Okay, now do the pattern for the door panel. Okay, this one. Okay, above here. So create 1, 2, 3. Okay, press Z to make it, to change, to move them. Okay, I move them here. Okay, make 3 ready like this. Okay, so I select this one. Okay, here I set 550. Here I set 400. Okay, so you can import a pattern from CAD or SKP Okay, for me, since I can't even no idea what to do, so I just draw a pattern. Okay, just randomly draw a pattern for you guys. You guys can just import the pattern if you want. Okay. Yeah, just do something like this lah, the pattern. Okay, save it, return. Okay, so I just random draw one pattern only. You guys can follow. Okay, so move up here, rotate. Yeah, okay, rotate. Okay, rotate here 90 degree. Yeah. Okay, then from here I go in, move around like this. Okay, just okay, Control V. Okay, I'm gonna put another one here. Okay, like this. Right now, do for the small board also, another board. It's 400. Here I said, put there, let me see. Okay, 200. This. Okay, right click, press P, right click, panel point editing. Okay, same lah. You guys just do a pattern now, okay? Okay. This rectangle. Nah. Okay, just back draw lah. Okay. Okay, save it. Return. Okay. I'm going to rotate. I'm going to move it here. Okay, just a bit. Like this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to duplicate here like this. Okay, there. Okay, last panel boy. I'm gonna do it for the above one, since I think can just draw pattern put up there also lah. Okay, so I set 100 the width. Here set to 2200. Okay, like this. Same thing you guys can just import the pattern or draw the pattern lah. Okay. So from here I just come here, panel point editing. Yeah, I draw one rectangle lah. Okay, go like this. Use this array. Okay, vertical I set 11, support 150. Apply. See, like this. Okay, save. Okay, now I'm gonna move it up. Okay, rotate first. Yeah, set 90. Yeah, 90. Oh, this part. Same. Let's set 90. Okay, like this. Okay, just sec. Okay, okay, delete first. Delete. Okay, press Z. Okay, move it closer. Okay, move it closer. Okay, oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you guys, you just can paint all the texture for all the board cupboard also, yeah. So I select the here. I use this texture. So choose come universe, double face, outward. Okay, I use this one. Okay, of course you can see which one better. I use which better one. Okay, I just paint. I just use paint. From a painter and material painter. Then I just paint all over lah. Okay, gonna tell you guys about this. Okay, that's all for this. That's all for this Chinese medicine cupboard cabinet. Okay, bye.